in your head, but I don't know what's wrong with the people. So my story with the Chinese is that I identified them because they could answer all the questions that were being posed by Walter Rodney in 1974, I think. That's when he wrote that book. But now, if you want to be their friend, if you want to be a friend of those investors, don't ask for money when the business is just beginning. You get me? Don't ask money from these guys when the business is still starting. You wait until the business matures, and then they are confident, and then they can give you all the money that you want. So if you are trying to partner with these guys, don't go for the short term. You go for the long term, and the benefits are very clear. In less than 10 years, on that land of Kapeka, which they have used like a half, they have put up 30 factories. All the products have been brought to Gulu. And I think we should take advantage of this situation. But the political and administrative structures and the culture and the church, you need to put your act together to see how you can handle investments, because that's where the problem is. At local government and even at ministerial level, we still have problems of handling investors. So today, I thought my long-time partner, Chairman Mao, would talk about that, because at that time, I didn't know as much English as I know today. 96, 97. My English, I had not gone back to school to study. He's the one who wrote with the David Progol there. Because at that time, they were the shining stars. All the ideas were coming from them. But for them, I think they were talking to me for a different purpose. Yeah, the Honorable Mao up to now, he still wants to go to that office, the presidency. So they left me to go alone, stay in the bush, what. But now, all my actions are a bit settled now. I have money at the PDM, I have enough equipment at sub-county, which is not working. We have, like soon I was trying to sing, about 12 industrial parks. Gulu, you are the only ones who don't have land. If you get land like tomorrow and encumbered, I now know all the terminologies I can use on the investors so that they come and invest here. So I'm very happy that on this Christmas Eve we have been able to launch this concept, because it is still a concept. Made in Africa, Uganda. Made in Africa, Kenya. Made in Africa, Rwanda. Made in Africa, South Sudan. So that we start evaluating our capacities to industrialize. I thank the organizers who have organized this launch. And I thank everybody who has been invited and you came in to attend yourselves, especially the members of parliament. And then my brothers here, you are most welcome. I don't have much to say except that musicians, I am tired of you. That one I have to repeat on camera. You have taken a lot of time. I have not even had time to meet the NRM people. Can you imagine? Because when it's the morning, I'm meeting Butcherman. The afternoon I'm meeting Rogadi. In the evening I'm meeting Odonga Orogo. So when I work on other Teramira there, wasting my time, I have told you I have finished with you, because I have tried to do as much as possible. So if you want to take the quarrel up to the, I know you're going to abuse me on Twitter, on TikTok. I'm going to be the topic of TikTok today. But at least you first project what you have seen inside there. Because you're wasting my time. You lack organization, you lack cohesion, you lack training. So, fortunately I have seen your boss, Rogadi. I don't know how he came. He's there. Rogadi, please come. This time you're not leaving these people in Guru. Just because I have no breathing space, and for them their issues are endless, several. And they wanted power. They wanted to capture power at UNCC, we allowed them. They captured power at UPRS, we allowed them. They captured power at NCF, we allowed them. So what are these people doing in Guru? You help me to end this journey, because it's not productive at all.
Thank you very much. Some of the musicians that are here, this is work.
No, work. The work people don't beg from me, by the way. No, they have never come to my gate.
Maybe the Kampala people are the ones that come.
Yes.
But it is just this organization that they created. We have made everything formal. They were informal before. They have associations, they have federations, and the ones who come, they come in piecemeals. So as General said it today, we want to make it very clear, because we have leadership. Right from UNCC, NCF, and our work. We're going to make sure, no one is going to disturb us.
So, Omera, there is a new catchword which has which I have developed, which says Rubanga Teguru Tete Tekampala. So our job is to use me. You use me to pick the money from Kampala to bring it to Guru. Every time I try to bring the money, they are cutting the legs and the arms and whatever. So, Rubanga Teguru Tente Kampala. So how do we collect all that money from Kampala to Guru? No, walk. You start walking and fight you on the way. Now, with those few remarks, allow me to thank everybody who has come, and I wish you Merry Christmas and a very, very happy New Year. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much, our chief.